Ever feel like you're endlessly running on a treadmill, pouring your heart into every step, yet getting nowhere? You're not alone. It's a common story, one that too many of us know by heart. But here's the twist. You can step off that treadmill. You can chart a new course that's vibrant, fulfilling, and genuinely yours. This isn't about some overnight miracle cure. It's about embarking on the most important journey of your life. The journey to reclaim your zest, your purpose, and your joy. Why settle for mediocrity when greatness is within your grasp? Why tread water when you could be swimming towards uncharted, exhilarating territories? The path won't be easy. It will demand courage, resilience, and an unwavering belief in yourself. But the rewards? They're beyond anything you've imagined. So, if you're ready to transform your life from the inside out, to ignite the flames of passion and purpose within you, you're in the right place. Together, we're going to explore how to build a foundation that supports monumental change. We'll delve into the art of setting goals that don't just whisper, but roar with ambition. We'll uncover the secrets to cultivating a mindset that embraces growth, resilience, and boundless possibility. Welcome to your revolution. Today marks the first day of the rest of your life. The journey to fixing your life starts now. Smash that like button if you are ready. Now let's get to it. Before you can embark on a journey of transformation, you need to know your starting point. It's time for some hard truths, for a look in the mirror not to criticize, but to confront reality head on. What areas of your life are leaving you feeling unfulfilled? Is it your career, barely more than a paycheck? Your personal life, lacking depth and connection? Or perhaps your health and well-being, always pushed to the back burner? Acknowledging these areas isn't about dwelling on the negative. It's about setting the stage for dramatic, positive change. It requires asking yourself tough questions and being ready to hear the answers. What brings you joy? What are your passions, your dreams, those things that light a fire in your belly? And crucially, why aren't you pursuing them with everything you've got? This phase is about taking inventory, not just of your dissatisfactions, but of your aspirations. It's about understanding that every aspect of your life you're unhappy with represents not a failure, but an opportunity to grow, to change, and to redefine. Here's the kicker. Change is not just possible, it's inevitable. But the direction of that change? That's up to you. It can be a slow descent into further dissatisfaction, or a bold leap towards a life that makes you wake up every morning with a heart full of anticipation. The choice is yours. So, grab a pen and paper, write down what's not working. Then, right beside it, dare to jot down what your heart yearns for in its place. This is your map, your blueprint for the journey ahead. The destination? A life that's not just lived, but cherished every single day. Now, with the clarity of where you stand and what you want, it's time to bridge the gap. How? By setting goals. But not the vague, someday I might kind of goals. We're talking laser-focused, burning with intensity goals that propel you forward. The art of goal setting is not about reaching for the unattainable, but about pushing the boundaries of what you believe is possible. It's about specificity. Instead of, I want to be happy, define what happiness means to you. Is it a job that challenges and fulfills you? Is it cultivating deeper relationships? Whatever it is, spell it out. Make your goals SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Each goal should be a stepping stone that builds on the last, creating a pathway to your ultimate vision. And yes, you should dream big, but your goals also need to be grounded in reality. Break them down into steps that feel doable, each one a milestone on your journey to success. But here's the secret sauce: passion. Your goals should not only be smart, but also set your soul on fire. They should be tied deeply to your values, to what makes you leap out of bed in the morning, eager to start the day. When your goals align with your core, they become not just something you should do, but something you must do. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. What's the first step you can take today towards your goal? Identify it, commit to it, and take it. Momentum is everything. With each step forward, you'll find your stride, your confidence growing, and your vision becoming clearer. Setting goals is the first act of turning the invisible into the visible. It's the moment you take your dreams out of the shadows and into the light. Ready to set the world ablaze with your ambitions? Let's do it. Transformation isn't just about what you do. It's profoundly about how you think. The battleground for change is largely in your mind. Enter the growth mindset, a concept that has the power to fundamentally alter your journey. This isn't about false positivity. It's about embracing the truth that your abilities aren't fixed, but can be developed through dedication and hard work. Imagine looking at challenges, and instead of seeing insurmountable walls, you see opportunities, failures. They're not a reflection of your worth, but stepping stones to greatness. The growth mindset is about shifting from "I can't" to "I can't yet." But how do you cultivate this mindset? First, recognize your self-talk. What are you saying to yourself when you face a setback? Begin to consciously shift your internal dialogue from criticism to curiosity. Ask, "What can I learn from this?" instead of berating yourself for not being good enough. Second, approach challenges with zest. Yes, zest. Dive into difficult tasks with the enthusiasm of a warrior. When you encounter obstacles, get excited about finding solutions. This proactive stance makes you resilient, adaptable, and unstoppable. Lastly, celebrate effort, not just achievement. Reward yourself for the hard work and persistence you put into chasing your goals, not just the end result. This reinforces the belief that progress, in any form, is valuable and worth striving for. A growth mindset doesn't mean you won't face doubts or fears. It means you'll meet them with grit and grace, knowing they're part of your journey to a richer life. Ready to shift your thinking and unlock your true potential? Let's make it happen. No meaningful journey is without its trials. Obstacles and setbacks are not just possible, they're guaranteed. But here's where we turn the narrative on its head. Every challenge you face is not a signal to retreat, but a call to rise. The first step in overcoming obstacles is to anticipate them. Understand that the road to success is paved with challenges, and prepare mentally to meet them. When you expect challenges, you're not thrown off course when they appear, you're ready. Next, develop a strategy for resilience. This involves building a toolkit of coping mechanisms such as stress reduction techniques, a strong support network, and a plan B, and even a plan C, for when things don't go as expected. When faced with a setback, pause and assess. Ask yourself, what's this teaching me? Often, obstacles are opportunities in disguise. They reveal areas for growth, new directions to explore, and sometimes they force us to pivot in ways that lead to unexpected successes. Persistence is key. Remember, every great achievement involved countless moments of doubt and temptation to give up. What separates those who reach their goals from those who don't is the refusal to stop pushing forward. Every no brings you closer to a yes. Every failure builds the foundation for success. Embrace a problem-solving mindset. When you hit a roadblock, get creative. There's always more than one way to reach your destination. Be willing to experiment, to try new approaches, and to think outside the box. This agility will not only help you overcome current obstacles, but will make you a more versatile and capable problem solver in all areas of life. Lastly, celebrate your victories over obstacles, no matter how small. Every time you overcome a challenge, you're one step closer to your goal, and that deserves recognition. These celebrations fuel your motivation and remind you of the progress you're making, even when the path is hard. The secret to lasting change lies in the power of habits. Your daily habits are the architecture of your life, quietly shaping your destiny with every repetition. To transform your life, start by transforming your habits. Begin with awareness. Identify the habits currently shaping your life. Which ones serve your goals? Which ones sabotage them? This awareness is the first step toward intentional change. Focus on one habit at a time. Trying to overhaul your life overnight is a recipe for overwhelm and burnout. Pick one habit that will have the most significant impact and start there. Whether it's waking up earlier, exercising, or dedicating an hour to learning a new skill, make it specific and manageable. Leverage the power of routine. Embed your new habit into your daily routine at a set time. Routines reduce the mental effort required to stick to your habits, making it easier to maintain them until they become second nature. Build a supportive environment. Make your surroundings habit-friendly. If you're aiming to read more, place books in strategic locations around your home. If you want to exercise regularly, prepare your workout gear the night before. Remove obstacles and make it as easy as possible to stick to your new habit. Celebrate your wins. Every time you successfully stick to your habit, acknowledge it. This positive reinforcement strengthens your motivation and commitment. Small wins accumulate into significant transformations. Remember, habits are not about restriction, but about empowerment. They free you from decision fatigue, automate positive behaviors, and create space for creativity and growth. What new habit will you start today to move closer to the life you desire? In the journey of personal transformation, the people you surround yourself with can be your greatest strength. They're your cheerleaders, advisors, and sometimes the lifeline you didn't know you needed. Crafting a robust support system isn't just beneficial, it's essential. Why it matters. Humans are social creatures. Our environment, including the people we interact with daily, significantly impacts our thoughts, behaviors, and ultimately, our success. The right support system can uplift you, push you towards your goals, and offer a safety net when you stumble. Start by evaluating your current circle. Who inspires you? Who believes in you and your dreams? These are the keepers. Next, actively seek out new connections, people who align with your aspirations and values. Networking events, online communities, and even social media can be goldmines for finding like-minded individuals. Consider the power of mentorship. A mentor who has walked the path you're embarking on can offer invaluable guidance and insight. Don't be shy to reach out to someone you admire for advice or mentorship. You'd be surprised how willing people are to share their knowledge. Remember, a support system is not just about what you can get, but also what you can give. Be ready to offer support, encouragement, and your unique skills to others. Building strong, reciprocal relationships creates a network of mutual growth and support. Surround yourself with a variety of perspectives. This diversity will challenge you, open your eyes to new ideas, and foster a more well-rounded approach to your growth journey. The world is in constant flux, and the only way to keep up and stand out is through continuous learning and adaptation. The pursuit of knowledge and flexibility in the face of change are not just advantageous. They're imperative for anyone looking to fix their life and soar to new heights. Foster a mindset of curiosity. View the world as an endless classroom where every experience, challenge, and interaction has something to teach you. Ask questions, seek out new experiences, and never assume you know all there is to know. Make learning an integral part of your daily routine. Whether it's reading articles, listening to podcasts, taking online courses, or simply experimenting with new ways of doing things, every effort counts. The goal is to keep your mind active, engaged, and open to new possibilities. Adaptability is your new superpower. In our fast-changing world, being adaptable is key. It means being ready to adjust your plans, pivot when needed, and always be on the lookout for the silver lining in unexpected situations. The more flexible you are, the better you'll be at handling life's complexities and grabbing opportunities that come unexpectedly. Never stop setting goals. Think of it this way. Reaching one goal is just the starting point for the next. It's thrilling to achieve what you've set out to do, but the real magic happens when you continuously set new goals. This keeps you moving forward, always reaching for higher achievements and deeper personal satisfaction. Stay connected. We live in a time where information flows freely and abundantly. Staying updated with the latest trends and developments in your area of interest has never been easier. Use social media, join professional networks, and engage in communities. These resources help you stay in tune with new opportunities and broaden your knowledge base. After setting the wheels of change in motion, maintaining momentum becomes the next crucial phase. The initial surge of enthusiasm can wane under the weight of daily routines and unforeseen challenges. Yet, it's the steady, ongoing effort that carves the path to enduring success. Here's how you can keep the fire burning and ensure that you're not just going through the motions, but truly living a life of continuous transformation. Embed resilience into your routine. Just as you've built habits that align with your goals, incorporate practices that bolster your resilience. Mindfulness, stress management techniques, and regular self-reflection can transform resilience from a reactive trait into a proactive strategy, equipping you to navigate the ups and downs with grace. Leverage the compound effect. Understand and embrace the compound effect of your daily actions. Small, consistent efforts don't just add up, they multiply over time. Whether it's dedicating a small portion of your day to learning or committing to a daily act of kindness, these actions build a life of profound impact and fulfillment. Stay fluid, stay open. As you grow, your goals and dreams will evolve too. Stay open to this evolution. Being too rigid can stifle your growth. Regularly reassess your path and be ready to pivot as you discover new passions, learn new things, and open yourself up to opportunities that you hadn't considered before. Build a community focused on growth. Having a support system is great, but it's also important to engage actively in communities where growth, learning, and perseverance are prioritized. When you surround yourself with people who are also striving to be their best selves, it magnifies your own efforts, and the results can be extraordinary. Teach, share, and inspire. One of the most powerful ways to deepen your own understanding and commitment to your journey is to teach and share what you've learned with others. Whether through mentoring, blogging, social media, or casual conversations, sharing your journey not only helps others, but reinforces your own growth and learning. Embrace the journey, not just the destination. While it's great to have goals to guide us, remember it's the journey that really shapes us. Find joy in the process of becoming who you want to be. Celebrate every small victory, learn from every setback, and cherish the experiences along the way. Life's beauty isn't just about reaching your destination. It's about embracing the endless possibilities each day offers. The journey to fix your life is not a linear path, but a spiral of continuous growth, learning, and rebirth. It's a voyage that challenges you to shed the layers of doubt, fear, and complacency to reveal your true strength, passion, and purpose. As you stand at this juncture, ready to take the next step, remember that you possess within you all the courage, wisdom, and resilience needed to navigate this journey. The road ahead is yours to shape. With each action, each decision, you're crafting a life that resonates with depth, meaning, and joy. This is not just about transforming your life. It's about transcending what you once thought possible, breaking free from the confines of past limitations, and stepping into a realm of infinite possibilities. As you move forward, carry with you the knowledge that every moment is an opportunity to redefine yourself, to build upon your successes, and to rise stronger from your failures. The journey of personal transformation is the greatest adventure of your life. Embrace it with an open heart, a determined spirit, and an unwavering belief in your ability to fix your life and unveil the extraordinary. The path to your greatest self is not found on a map. It's carved by your actions, your choices, and your unwavering commitment to growth. Take that first step, then another, and another. The journey is long, the journey is yours, and it's waiting for you to begin. Until next time, be undefeatable.